Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Beauty by Tellie. Today I'm featuring another episode of my Kracie Popin Cooking adventures. And this kit I'm gonna do today is gonna be this bento box. I haven't confirmed that, but it's just what's obvious to me, so let's go with bento box. It's really easy to get the hang of reading their instructions. They've made it very friendly even for people who don't speak or read Japanese. And one of the ways that you can make it easier is, first of all, their sachets usually come in distinguishable colors. They're very easy to tell apart. The order of the sachets shown here is actually the order of the steps. So what I do when I set my sachets aside, I already put it in this order. When you check the items, they tell you how to cut the molding tray. Check if you have the cut line. That's the mold, squeezie bag, and a fork. As for the sachet, some of them came in pairs. I'm just gonna have to break them up. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm just gonna put it all back together. As for the mold, cut this part off. Take one water, put it in the broccoli. Let me pour it the proper way because that's where the pouring spout is. Mix in your light green. It's solidifying quite fast. I don't know if I'm supposed to mix it or not. Again, take 1 scoop. Combine it with yours. Mix it once. One here. Take your pink sachet, put it inside. 2 scoops of water and put the blue sachet. Ah! My hand! No, I did the wrong thing. It was supposed to go here. What have I done? It looks like not all hope is lost. No! No, oh my god, oh my god. This is where I form. Basically split the rice ball in two. One half is to make the panda face and the other half to make 2 triangles. I love this rice candy. It's actually sticky and it really feels like that real rice texture. Like 2 triangles out of this one. That hard. The grape powder on there. Just put enough to fill the bottom. And just make sure all the powder stays inside the holes and nothing on top of the mold. So I took the big round rice ball and I'm just stamping the powder onto it. Okay, this is cute. And then just taking the triangular rice balls, I'm just stamping a stripe of seaweed down the bottom of it. Okay, that was pretty bad. Maybe it's just like a practice thing. Oh my god! Look at that beautiful piece. And then just taking the 2 smallest rice balls and completely coating them with the seaweed. This is the better technique. You sort of like fluff it around and then it gets like really covered. Take 1 brown sachet. Apparently the nugget just forms. Nugget or a curry? I think it might be a tonkatsu. The texture completely looks like a deep fried tonkatsu. Perfection. Take 2 scoops of water. Take the big orange sachet. Okay, I am just supposed to put it in this baggie and squeeze out a noodle looking thing. I'm gonna assemble the box and then check in with you guys again. Time to arrange our bento box. Whew. I'm gonna take this orange lump, put the rice. I don't know what I'm doing. And then put this slimy thing. Oh gosh. Put this here. and poke a flag through that. That's too big. What the hell? This here, and put the broccoli here, and then put this like squid here. Panda. I think I'm gonna have to assemble it here. No! I worked too hard on you, damn it. That looking challenge. Ah! Man, this is looking like my sad series of Kracie Popin Cookings. So this is my Kracie Bento. I love how many elements there were to the kit. But one thing I didn't like was that I had to keep washing the dishes over and over again because having to use one tray for several mixes was really annoying. I didn't know how one candy would affect the other, so I found myself having to rinse everything. Overall, still a fun experience. So that's today's episode of my Kracie Popin Cooking Adventures. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time. Bye!